Welcome back to another video, and in this one I'm going to show you how to create a new partition in Windows 8 up to 11. Basically, you want to go to the start menu and then click power while holding left shift, click restart. Now keep holding shift, specifically left shift. Now what this does is it brings you into the Windows recovery environment. Basically, you want to go to troubleshoot and then advanced options and then go to the command prompt. Basically command prompt, entering the command prompt makes your laptop or computer basically restart. Now, once you get to this menu, you're gonna choose an account and then type in your password. In this case, I don't have one. And boom, we're in the command prompt. Yeah, seems like some hacking tool, right? Well, kinda is, but it isn't. What you wanna type in is disk part. Now, what the heck is disk part? You might be asking. It's the tool that we're gonna use to create the new partition. Now, when the text shows up saying disk port, you just, you're ready. I'm just gonna wait for it. Okay, basically if it never shows up, you just want to spam. Okay, now that this text showed up, that means we're ready. We're gonna select disk 0. That's the disk, And now you're gonna list the partitions by typing in list partition. Look. Now this is our primary partition, partition 3, so we're gonna select partition 3. Boom. And now you wanna do shrink desired, and now you wanna type in the amount of megabytes you want to shrink it by. In this case, you want megabytes, but how? Basically, go to your calculator, and then you want to type in 1024, and then multiply that by the amount of gigabytes you want to shrink the partition by. Done? Okay, let's get to it. In this case, I want 5 gigabytes. I want to shrink it by 5 gigabytes, so I just type in 5120. 5120, that's 5 gigabytes. You're gonna hit enter. Okay, we successfully shrunk the prime partition by 5 gigabytes. Once you've done that, you want to type in create partition primary. Now, primary because we're creating a primary partition. Yeah, it's just called primary partition. And now, you're gonna make the size the exact amount of megabytes you shrinked the first partition with. So we're basically gonna type in 5120, 5 megabytes. Okay, we created the specified partition. Now you want to type in format fs equals ntfs quick. Do a quick format. Okay, now that you formatted the volume, you want to assign a letter to it. But how? Assign letter equals E, or just do any letter. Okay. As you can see, it says successfully assigned the drive letter or mount point. When you turn on your PC and then go to the File Explorer, you'll see another partition. That means you did it. You created a partition in Windows. Make sure to like and subscribe.